sa lahat ng lobsters dito. Lahat nagniningning, napakaganda, napakagwapo. It's really nice to meet all of you and thank you for the warm welcome.
Ginulat mo naman kami lahat sa production number mo.
Ako, syempre, para ako sa'yo.
Sa naman. And yes, Lockers, let's all welcome Win Marquez. And she's representing the Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa. And he, as a local director, we will do our very best, of course, to support you, to guide you, and syempre, to inspire more Pilipina na walang, hindi dapat ilimit ang sarili. And ayun yung gusto mo, diba? Yun yung isa sa gusto mo ng parating sa mga tao. That, again, age is just a number.
Age is just a number and there is no expiration date for dreaming.
Yan, diba? Very inspiring. And let's all support Win Marquez ngayong Miss Universe Philippines 2025.